Hi guys, happy Sunday. So this is a video on how to assemble the iRain 18 inches rechargeable fan. This video is specifically for this version of iRain fan. There are lots of iRain fans out there, but this is for the 18 inches rechargeable fan. So please watch in details and assemble your own fan at home. Here's the tricky part of this installation. If you set this thing the wrong way or the other way around, this appliance will not work. So please set up your fan with this video. Thank you guys. You can watch the end of the video to see how it's done step by step. Thank you.